Hello and welcome, I'm Martin. Today we're excited to welcome you to Aira's first ever product launch. With that, Aira is taking another major step towards the clean energy revolution. Our mission is to get Europe off gas and drive the clean energy transition, save European households money and significantly reduce our CO2 emissions. Burning fossil fuels to be comfortable in our homes is a solution from a different age. In Europe, we are still using more than 130 million oil and gas boilers to heat our homes, but these outdated technologies are inefficient, expensive, and the third largest cause of CO2 emissions, contributing to more than 10% of Europe's total emissions. And on top of that, geopolitical tensions and Europe's dependency on foreign oil and gas have left us with high energy bills that further deepen the cost of living crisis. To reduce CO2 emissions, accelerate our pathway to energy security, and reduce costs, we need to get Europe off oil and gas. Today, we are taking a huge leap towards doing just that and kickstarting the urgent switch to cleaner home energy. We are very proud and excited to unveil our first Aira heat pump. Available today in Germany, Italy, and the UK. This is the next generation of home heating, Aira providing a complete end-to-end integrated customer journey from design and manufacturing to installation and aftercare. Our Aira heat pump is at the heart of Aira's clean energy solutions. It provides an entirely new customer experience and makes it affordable for millions of European homes to remove their boilers and revolutionize how they manage their entire energy use. Beautifully designed, efficient to run, made affordable by Aira's unique all-inclusive plan, and with the power to radically reduce energy costs, energy usage, and CO2 emissions. But the Aira heat pump does even more than that. Designed as a learning platform, this is an intelligent heat pump with a groundbreaking set of features to provide optimal comfort, efficiency, and cost savings for Aira customers. Developed by a world-class team of product designers, engineers, and clean energy experts, this is a game-changing product with the power to be a catalyst for accelerating European net zero targets. To get us started, I would like to hand over to Anna and Kai, who will tell you much more about the product.
Marking a new era in home heating, the new Aira heat pump is the perfect replacement for any oil or gas boiler. Using free, fresh air and a small amount of electricity, the Aira heat pump provides maximum comfort in the home. Throughout the development process, our design team has been laser focused on one aim: to make a simple system that any individual or family would love to live with. And together, our mission was to design the next generation of heat pumps, a beautifully designed, intelligent system available in a range of sizes. Our system has been built on a platform designed to continually learn, evolve, and improve the experience over the lifetime of the product. We call this Aira Intelligence, delivering cost savings and CO2 reductions, maximum comfort, and a hassle-free experience for our Aira customers. Now, I'm delighted to be joined by Anna, our product director, to discuss the product in a bit more detail.
This is a really exciting day for all of us at Aira because it's the culmination of years of planning, expertise, and innovation.
First of all, let's discuss the product range, because we have a variety of heat pumps on offer, not just one.
There is no one-size-fits-all solution. Every house is different, so we have systems that range from 6 kilowatt to 12 kilowatt in power and provide up to 350 liters in hot water capacity, tailoring your system to the needs of your household.
Another important point is that it's quick and easy to install too.
Yes, we have focused on creating heat pumps that take up as little space as possible so they can fit into as many places as possible in the home. And they are super quick to fit. In fact, they can be installed in as little as 2 days.
The 100-liter indoor unit is a good example of that, because the space it requires is similar to that needed for a combi boiler. So there really is little difference.
But there is a big difference in performance and impact on the planet. Compared to a fossil-fueled combi unit, the Aira heat pump is high performance, low maintenance, quiet in operation, and uses a natural refrigerant to minimize climate impact.
I think it looks really distinctive too. Beautifully designed, timeless.
Exactly. We wanted to create something that looks stunning, but doesn't compromise on performance and won't age quickly. So we leaned on Aira's signature Scandi style to make something that is sleek and desirable.
We have a clear design language synchronized across our brand and our products. It has distinctive humanistic feel, the soft curved edges, the matte finish, the corner radius.
Yes, both our indoor and outdoor units share the same soft rounded corners. The middle of the indoor unit has the same curvature as the horizontal ribs across the outside unit. We've also played with the angles of the ribs to reflect the air as it flows to create heat. Complete with a color palette designed to fit naturally into its surrounding environment, we really wanted our customers to feel like they could live with this product for a lifetime.
There is not even a screen. We removed the digital display because that is what ages more quickly.
And we've replaced it with intuitive light cues, and people can interact through the Aira app or the thermostat. That allows us to create a flexible interface that will evolve and adjust to customer patterns over time. A digital-first approach.
The intelligent thermostat follows the same Scandi design language as the heat pump itself, so it integrates well into the home. And it constantly keeps your heat pump informed about the temperature and humidity to create the perfect indoor climate.
We've made sure that it's versatile and easy to use. It contains all the most common controls, so customers can interact without using the app if they prefer, providing core hassle-free control. It also helps us enable all the smart features of the heat pump. There really has been a lot of attention to detail in this design, but the biggest innovation is in all the smart technology we have developed. So Kai is going to tell you a bit more about that now.
The key to providing our customers with the next generation of home heating is our unique Aira Intelligence platform. The Aira heat pump becomes even more intelligent over time as it collects more data about your house and your heating habits, enabling it to provide maximum comfort and energy efficiency with minimum hassle and total peace of mind. As it learns your routine and your personal preferences, it uses a self-regulating system to precision plan your heating and hot water. With Smart Weather Mode, it's always one step ahead. It reviews the weather forecast and reacts to it, maintaining a perfect climate inside. Furthermore, the Aira app provides customers peace of mind with the inclusion of features that help the customer drive even greater efficiencies, helping them to save money and reduce CO2 emissions. While customers are away on holiday, Away Mode automatically lowers the temperature and pauses your hot water, bringing everything back to normal to welcome you home. Hot water control ensures you always have the perfect amount of hot water, which is conveniently displayed in the app in minutes instead of liters. And Hot Water Plus gives you extra control to add more time if you have guests over. The app even provides an at-a-glance dashboard showcasing your monthly estimated savings, both in terms of cost savings and CO2 emissions from heating your house with the Aira heat pump instead of an oil or gas boiler. To complement our design, intuitive light cues on the heat pump pulse to tell you all you need to know, reassuring you that everything is working as it should and your system is perfectly synced with your app. Coming soon, you will even be able to set your heat pump to run off an intelligent energy tariff, so that it can automatically adjust its electricity consumption to off-peak, cheaper electricity, minimizing the cost without compromising on comfort. The Aira heat pump is the smartest clean energy solution on the market, boasting groundbreaking functionality to optimize your home energy, with an all-inclusive plan that will make your clean energy tech accessible to all. But it's just the first step in building the home energy tech system of the future. We will expand on Aira's ecosystem to deliver a complete solution. There's everything you need to transform your living space into a cleaner, greener home.
Until recently, the way we heat our homes was something most people just didn't think about or speak about. However, when energy prices started soaring in 2022 and many had to forgo comfort to save cash, we all started to give it much more attention. We offer a hassle-free experience with complete peace of mind. We've eliminated one of the biggest barriers, high upfront costs, with our Aira all-inclusive plan, making the switch to a heat pump affordable and accessible with low monthly payments. Heat pumps are not new. They are a proven technology that deliver results. We have witnessed firsthand their success story over the last 30 years across the harshest of climates in Scandinavia. So I think it's safe to say heat pumps work even in the coldest of temperatures. In Sweden, where Aira was founded, heat pumps are now installed in 60% of homes and in fact account for 92% of all new home heating systems. Consequently, just 1% of the nation's CO2 emissions are a direct result of heating homes. So far though, mass adoption of heat pumps across the rest of Europe has been stemmed by low gas prices, low customer awareness, and high upfront costs. Our unique proposition helps to remove these barriers by boldly challenging the market with a one-stop shop, an all-inclusive solution, and an unprecedented 15-year comfort guarantee, even on the coldest day of the year. This is the end of fragmented journeys and multiple suppliers in creating a modern green home. When customers are interested in learning more about how to make a switch to a heat pump, an Aira clean energy expert will visit their home, learn more about their heating habits, and conduct a survey to make a proposal. From signed contract to installation, a custom-designed heat pump solution can be installed in just 4 weeks. Our Aira clean energy experts are on hand to help customers to submit government subsidies on their behalf. We even safely disconnect, remove, and recycle their old boiler, and the support doesn't stop there. Our customers will enjoy continued aftercare for the next 15 years. That means, in the unlikely event something doesn't work as it should, we'll be there to get their system back up and running. We're empowering our customers to become energy pioneers, helping them to reduce their energy consumption by 75%, lower their heating-related costs by up to 40%, and to cut their emissions by at least 75%, increasing to 100% when using green electricity to power their heat pump. Air is here to accelerate the green heating transition, and hopefully you can see that we're doing this by making the switch as easy as possible.
A big thank you to the team for sharing details on the new Aira heat pump. It is a category-defining product that will be a catalyst for change. Aira is on a mission to become Europe's #1 direct-to-consumer brand in clean energy tech, and in doing so, accelerate the decarbonization of Europe. And things are going really well. Our journey is backed by some of the most well-respected climate and innovation-focused investors. Today, we launch a cutting-edge product that redefines our industry. We have a world-class production facility in Europe ready to produce our clean energy tech solutions. We are now establishing our Aira academies across Europe to meet our target of hiring and training 20,000 clean energy experts over the next decade. We have created a winning formula, and our ambition is to serve 5 million customers across Europe over the next decade, helping households to unlock significant money savings and dramatically reduce their carbon emissions. We have lots more exciting things to come as we expand our product range and reach into new regions and countries. Thank you for joining us today. And if you are as excited and inspired as we are about the future, then please share what you now know about the hidden emissions, untapped money savings from heating our homes. Please join us on the journey to a cleaner, more affordable, and sustainable future. Thank you.